Hello everyone, welcome back to our another video. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between callbacks and promises. Callbacks are functions that are passed as arguments to other functions and are invoked when the parent function completes its execution. They are commonly used to handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript. Let us learn with an example. Let us create a function getData, and inside it we are expecting a callback function. Inside, let us fetch our JSON placeholder API, and then we will use our response and convert it to response.json, and then we will use the data and send it back to our callback function. And let us create another process data function. There we will console.log the data, and now let us simply call our getData function and pass the process data. When we pass process data, it means that we are passing process data function as a callback. And when we are done fetching our data and we are converting our response to response.json and then using the data and sending it back to the callback function again. Now we are sending the data to the function process data, and there we are console.logging the data. So now let us run it and test it. We will simply get the output of the API. Promises are a way to handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript. They represent a value that may not be available yet, but it will be resolved at some point in future. Promises have three states: pending, fulfilled, or rejected. Let us learn with an example. Let us create a function getData and inside return a new promise that will have a resolve or reject object, and then we are going to fetch our JSON placeholder API. Then we are using the response and converting it to response.json, then taking that data and resolving that data, and if we had any error we will use reject and reject the error, and then we are calling our getData and using then and catch function to console.log our output and error. Here it is simple. After fetching the data from API, we are either resolving the data, or if we found any error, we are rejecting the data. And then we are using console.log and outputting either the data or the error. Now let us run it and test it. We will get the result from our API. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.